Welcome to the channel. This is Toyota Prius 2018. I'm going to start the car. You can see here engine management light on. I'm going to take a computer report. Make sure when you do the diagnostic all electrical switch it off, radio, heaters, otherwise you ending with draining battery. According to under engine management, there is a faulty code P065714, actuator supply voltage A circuit short to ground or open. Same faulty code, same thing. Actuator. Yeah, basically under the engine management, they're talking about the like a voltage difference. It's a short to ground or open circuit. However, when you go to the ABS section, low or high power voltage, they're talking about the ABS pump. And C1300 control ECU malfunction. Another faulty code C1425 open in stop switch circuit, and the two code for the air conditioning, and 1 2 navigation, body control module. Yeah, lot of faulty codes there. However, I'm not worried anything for the from onward air con. This is look like to me something not right, the air supply, or sometime the connectors for the ABS pump, and they're talking about the ECU also well malfunction. But however, as a first step, I'm going to the engine bay and check the connectors for the ECU, check connectors for the ABS module. Yeah, let's go to the engine bay. The engine bay, I clean already, remove this ECU connectors, and there is a inside ABS pump using this electrical connector. At the moment I can't see any broken wire or nothing, only the thing I can see the new battery here. But he said another interesting thing, this battery ampere 40 amp and the engine cranking 330. We'll see the old battery in the boot, because customer changed the battery. You can see here 45 amp and the cranking power a little bit high, but the initial battery amperes little bit low. Anyway, we'll go inside the car and I'm going to play with the computer and we'll have a look what's going on there. Right, you saw I already done the ABS pump connectors and the ECU, and I noticed the new battery there. However, I'm going to clear this fault codes. Right, all fault codes clear, nothing left there. I'm going to ignition off and start the car. At the dashboard, engine light disappeared, but however, check engine, visit your local dealer, there is a message. I'm going to escape from that message. Again that same message coming to the dashboard. I'm going to system selection, check power training. First I'm going to check under engine management code, read faulty codes, no trouble code for the engine management. Then after that I'm going to check hybrid control unit. I'm going to switch off the car and ignition on. Hybrid control, read faulty codes. Under hybrid control, no any faulty codes. I am going to the special function because basically I notice he changed the battery. There is a new battery at the engine bay. Then I am going to update battery status because I am not sure he done it before or not. I am going to update the battery status first. Battery status update. Turn engine power switch off, then turn on. I am going to switch off. Okay, and turn on, and I'm going to start the car. Still that light coming up, check engine, visit your dealer. Bit strange at the moment because computer not support anything, but however I'm going to take to the road test, and after that I'll come back to you. Just took it little bit backward, then after that engine light on, then again I got the faulty code. Have a look. Again they talk about the P065714, all short circuit or short to ground. However, I'm going to the engine bay again and going to check the fuses. Right, when I check the fuses, you can see this fuse, good, and this one I found one blown up fuse. At the moment this number 10 fuse blown. I'm going to leave it as it is, and I'm going to check the other fuses. However, I'm going to change that number 10 fuse here. You can see this fuse blown. Right, now yeah, that fuse working fine. Right, I'm going to disconnect my probe and I'm going to start the car again. Start the car. Still engine light on. However, I'm going to try to reset from the computer again. Right, it's cleared. I'm going to start the car again. Look like it's working properly. However, I'm going to switch off the car, check that fuse again. Yeah, that fuse fine. Then I'm going to take to the road test. Right, went to the test run and came. Have a look the dashboard. Nice and clear. Now you know what's the cause. Basically, vehicle had a dead battery, then customer changed the battery. Could be I'm feeling once he going to do the battery, he might be spark the terminals. They said according to the computer affected to the ECU. However, it's not coming to the ECU, it stopped with the fuse. Basically, when I change the fuse, all done, but I spent like maybe 2 hours to find out everything. However, now all fine. Another success job. If you have like this problem, especially hybrid cars, when you're going to change the battery, be careful, follow all guidelines. If you're not sure, don't going to charge yourself, it's not easy. Better to take a proper advice from the proper mechanic. Anyway, another successful job. Thanks for watching. Now all fine. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video. Thank you.